Step into sheer opulence with this breathtaking kitchen design. Behold the sleek black cabinets adorned with lavish gold accents, radiating an aura of luxury and sophistication that's simply irresistible. Paired with marble countertops and a dazzling crystal chandelier, the space transcends mere functionality to become a haven of pure glamour. It's not just a kitchen, it's a symphony of elegance where every detail is meticulously curated for maximum impact. Get ready to elevate your culinary experience to new heights in a space that's as sumptuous as it is stylish. Prepare to be captivated by the allure of true luxury. Step into timeless perfection with this exquisite kitchen design. Feast your eyes on the elegant black cabinets adorned with satin nickel hardware, evoking a refined and classic aesthetic that stands the test of time. Paired harmoniously with white marble countertops and a subway tile backsplash, the space exudes an ageless elegance that captivates the soul. It's not just a kitchen, it's a sanctuary of enduring style and grace where culinary dreams come to life. Get ready to create lasting memories in a space that epitomizes timeless sophistication. Welcome home to the pinnacle of elegance and refinement. Step into modern elegance with this stunning kitchen design. Picture sleek black cabinets adorned with chic stainless steel hardware, infusing the space with a dash of contemporary sophistication. Complemented by quartz countertops and a gleaming glass tile backsplash, the atmosphere is nothing short of sleek and stylish. It's not just a kitchen, it's a statement of modern luxury where every element is meticulously crafted for maximum impact. Get ready to dazzle your guests and elevate your culinary experience in a space that's as fashionable as it is functional. Welcome to the epitome of contemporary chic. Step into luxury with this opulent kitchen masterpiece. Feast your eyes on the black cabinets adorned with intricate detailing and ornate hardware, exuding a regal grandeur that captivates the soul. Paired with granite countertops and a mesmerizing mosaic tile backsplash, the ambience is nothing short of lavish. Prepare to be whisked away into a realm of elegance and sophistication, where every culinary creation becomes an art form. It's not just a kitchen, it's a palace of culinary dreams. Get ready to indulge in the lap of luxury and elevate your cooking experience to new heights. Step into sophistication with this chic kitchen haven. Picture elegant black cabinets with glass-paneled doors, showcasing your finest china and glassware like pieces of art. Paired with marble countertops and a mirrored backsplash, the ambience is nothing short of glamorous. It's not just a kitchen, it's a sanctuary of style and elegance where culinary magic comes to life. Get ready to dazzle your guests and elevate your cooking experience in a space that's as chic as it is practical. It's time to embrace the epitome of modern luxury and make every meal a masterpiece. Step into simplicity redefined with this minimalist kitchen masterpiece. Behold the elegance of black cabinets with hidden handles, exuding a sleek and streamlined aura that's simply mesmerizing. Paired with white quartz countertops and a waterfall edge island, the space exudes an understated elegance that speaks volumes. It's not just a kitchen, it's a sanctuary of simplicity and style where every element is meticulously curated for maximum impact. Get ready to embrace the beauty of less and make a statement that's both timeless and contemporary. Welcome to the epitome of minimalist elegance, where less truly is more. Step into the heart of modern farmhouse charm with this kitchen masterpiece. Picture elegant black cabinets boasting shaker-style doors and brushed bronze hardware, infusing the space with a rustic allure that's simply irresistible. Paired with marble countertops and a subway tile backsplash, the ambience is nothing short of timeless elegance. It's not just a kitchen, it's a sanctuary where the warmth of farmhouse style meets the sleekness of modern design. Get ready to create memories and culinary delights in a space that's as inviting as it is stylish. Welcome home to the perfect blend of comfort and sophistication. Step into sophistication personified with this kitchen masterpiece. Behold the allure of black cabinets boasting a high-gloss lacquer finish, making a bold and glamorous statement that's impossible to ignore. Paired with quartz countertops and a mirrored backsplash, the room exudes depth and elegance that's simply unparalleled. It's not just a kitchen, it's a showcase of refined taste and impeccable style. Get ready to dazzle your guests and elevate your culinary adventures in a space that's as chic as it is practical. Welcome to the epitome of modern glamour, where every detail shines brighter than the last. Step into urban sophistication with this chic kitchen design. Picture elegant black cabinets with frosted glass inserts, infusing the space with a contemporary allure that's both sleek and sophisticated. Complemented by concrete countertops and industrial pendant lighting, the atmosphere is nothing short of stylish and modern. It's not just a kitchen, it's a reflection of urban living at its finest. Get ready to entertain in style and elevate your culinary adventures in a space that's as trendy as it is functional. Embrace the energy of the city and make every meal a celebration of modern design. Step into the timeless elegance of yesteryears with this vintage-inspired kitchen design. Imagine elegant black cabinets adorned with brass hardware, evoking the charm of bygone eras in a space that's simply enchanting. Paired with marble countertops and a subway tile backsplash, the ambience is reminiscent of classic European kitchens, where every detail tells a story of timeless sophistication. It's not just a kitchen, it's a journey through history, where the beauty of the past meets the functionality of the present. Get ready to indulge in the romance of vintage charm and create culinary masterpieces in a space that's as elegant as it is inviting.